How to use DBLookup tool with Lineitemtable data element in eFlow. Let's see. First, let's select all. Let's take all the process below and let's disconnect this manually starting tool and let's drag and drop the DBLookup tool. With DBLookup tool, I want to go to my SQL Server Management Studio and select the table and display it at eFlow user interface over a line item table. So let's see which table are we going to select from SQL. Okay, at my SQL Server Management Studio, I have my eFlow database and here I have tables and I create the table called training, and as you see at this table we have 3 columns and 5 rows with code definition and email address. I want to display this table at eFlow user interface over a line item table. So I have to create a line item table first as data element. Let's call the name table and it will be line item table. And let's edit this table. We had 3 columns as code, company, and email address. All right. So the table is ready, and what I'm gonna do is to write the SQL query here. Let's create the query first. New query. Select from training. When I execute it, you see the table. Okay, so the query is ready, and I take this query, I copy it, I go to my eFlow, and I just write it at command window. And you see here, I go to data match and I say I want to associate it with a line item table, and I choose my line item table. And at this line item table, I have code, definition, and email address. And I want to display this table at a task form. So let's drag and drop the task form, and at the task form I say I just want to show the table. So the query is ready and it's matched with the table with the SQL query, and I save it, I activate it, and I go to my eFlow and start a purchase request, and you see the table that I had in SQL Server Management Studio is displayed at eFlow with DBLookup tool and with the SQL command that I created.